Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to enable the e-commerce feature in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage inside Hostinger Website Builder. And to enable the e-commerce feature on this website, just go to Online Store and click on this Add Store button. As you can see, I have a store now with a link in my navigation menu. Click on Update Website. And this is how to enable the e-commerce feature in Hostinger Website Builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.